Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use case and when to use case. Say for example, I have list of employees here and I'm just trying to display all the employees. Now what I want to prefix Mr. before male employee and Miss before female employee. So I have a single female employee here and I have a lot of male employees. So how do I do that? I will say select EID ename from employee. Now I will check the gender. If the gender is male, then I'm going to prefix Mr. before ename. So I will write cases from here. I'll say case when e gender is equals to male, then I will say Mr. plus ename. When e gender is equals to female, then I'll say Miss plus ename, and I need to give single space or not necessary. So you can write all the conditions here. Then I will say end this case as I need to give some name to this column. I'll say as I can give same ename. That's it. So this is my one column. Now let me execute this. You can see that I get Mr. and here I get Miss. Now let us say I have one more scenario where I want one more column here. Say I want employee ID, employee name, employee salary, then one column called as, I can say, grade. Now what I want, my requirement is something like this. If employee salary is between 0 to 5,000, then the grade is C. If it is 5,000, then the grade is B. If it is greater than 5,000, then the grade is A. So I want to display a grade. Like say I have a school management system, I want to display ranks or grades to a student based upon the average. So that kind of scenario I have. So how do I do that? I can use cases here. Select employee ID, employee name, then employee salary, from employee table. This is a simple thing. Now I want one more column, so I need to write cases on case when e salary is between 0 and 5,000, then I want to display C. When e salary else If my salary is out of this range, that means it is below 0, that is it is negative value, then I can use else part. Else it should display some x. Now I need to end this case, and as I need to name it as we know very well, this is going to be another column, so I need to put a comma here to make the things work. So grade is another column which is being derived based upon the employee's salary. If salary is between 0 and 5,000, then the grade is C. If it is 5,000, then the grade is B. If it is greater than 5,000, then the grade is A. If it is out of this range, or you can say it is a negative value, then the grade is X. Now I should get one more column, that is grade. So this column is called as derived column. Now let me execute this. You can see that I get grade here. I'm just trying to extend this a little. Now I want to group by grade. Now I want, like we have seen in our earlier video, group by clauses. Now I want to group based upon the grade. I want to see how many employees fall under A grade, how many employees fall under B grade, and how many employees fall under C grade. Now if you see that even 5,000 is falling under C grade, so I can just make it 4999, so less than 5,000, or I can write arithmetic expression if I want. So 5,000 is B. Now I want to have a kind of grouping. I want to count so many falls under grade A, so many falls under grade B, and so many falls under grade C. So I need to make a count based upon the grade. So I need to group by grade. Now I'll remove this. Say I have a column grade first, then I will say count of star. Now you know very well from our earlier video, whenever I apply a count, then I need to group it by first column. So first column is grade. Group by. Now let me execute and check what it says. It says that each group by expression must contain at least one column that is not an outer reference. So I cannot use this grade alias. I need to have this complete column. So what I can do, I can simply copy the complete case and I'll say group by that particular case, because that case is generating the column. So that case is still here till end. I need not to say as grade. Why? Because this is the alias. So this is what the case which is generating column. So I need to group it by that. Now let me execute. Wow, that is super. So in grade A I have 5 employees, in grade B I have 1 employee, in grade C I have 3 employees. So basically this kind of queries you may see in your real-time StudeProc, so you need not to get worried. I see cases in group by A, so it is nothing but the copy of the column that you have in your query. The same copy I need to have in my group by clause. So that's it. This is all about your cases. Thank you very much.